Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a makeup look. I guess this is gonna be a Valentine's Day look. I don't even know, but I really wanted to get into these products that I got from Milk and give that review because I got another brand that I'll share with you guys in another video from Influencer. If you haven't tried Influencer, you didn't see my video on Influencer, go. It's up in the cards. Go check it out. Anyway, before I continue, also I want to say thank you for 800. I am at 800 and something, 20 something. Regardless, so it's really funny because, and while I'm talking to you guys, I'm gonna actually start getting my things together. But it's really funny that I hit 800, and I say this because literally, like, it's manifested. Well, on my vision board, I put it that the goal was for me to reach 1,000 for this year, 1,000, and if more plus. But the funny thing is, in my planner, I wrote down that I wanted to actually have 800 subscribers by the end of January, which I actually got, which is crazy. So like just before, I think just before January ended, I reached 800. And so I'm a little over 800. So my goal for February's not done yet. We still have a couple of weeks, is to be at 900, and hopefully by March 1,000, because your girl wants to be monetized. I've been working hard. I've been batch recording like crazy. I've been trying to step up my content game, step up my thumbnails, step up a lot of things. So it's like at this point, I'm at the point where I'm just like, this is my moment. This is the time where I need to, I'm claiming monetization by sometime in March, April-ish, the latest, because the girl's been wanting this for a while now. So you might hear me talk a little bit while I do my makeup, because normally I do like a planned video where I don't talk. I just do what the video is and keep it pushing. So I might talk through it. But one of the products that we got from that influencer box was the Hydro Grip Primer. Now, I've already used this in another video. If you didn't see my quarantine birthday last year video, but I got the little packet, which I don't even know where it is. It's somewhere, but I'm just gonna use the one they gave me. When I find that packet, I find it. It was a small little square packet. So yes, this is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. And I like the pump better than the one that I got from Sephora, the sample size that I got from Sephora, because the one from Sephora wasn't a pump. It was in like one of those packets, so you had to like take it out. I'm like, why is the mirror so big? I'm on the magnetized side. Let's go on this side. Last time they said allow it to dry a little bit before you continue, because it kind of has that little thing. But for those of you guys who probably didn't see me do the last video, just a little bit about this product. It is a hemp-derived cannabis extract plus blue agave extract, active all day hydration and hold. It just says pump 1 or 2 shots. I should have just did a big shot. I was doing like little squirts, but probably could have just did 1 or 2. On the back of your hand, and blend a thin layer into your clean skin before makeup application. Allow formula 1 minute to fully absorb to activate grip. This product is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and 100% vegan. So from what I understand, that the Milk Makeup brand is vegan. So yeah, and it's supposed to keep your makeup locked in all day. So next is the eyebrows, and as I always say, I'm no makeup guru, so I left it out on the table. I just, I've learned things along the way. I feel like I could definitely still perfect it, but makeup is not my it's not my job. It's more of like I guess you would say a hobby or something that I like to do every so often. I don't wear makeup on the daily. I just don't have time to be doing all that. So when I do wear it, I do. This year, being that I'm still home, maybe I'll do it every so often on the weekends, but I can't guarantee it, because it's just like, why? Anyway, I'll speed up because I don't want to make this video long, but I'm using my Maybelline Tattoo Studio 382 Black Brown. I've been using this for a while. and it's been pretty good so far. It's a pomade. Because I'll tell you this, I've had a lot of eyebrow products and a lot of them never gave me the look I wanted. Either they were too dark or I don't know. It was just a lot of things. So in time, I just didn't know until I found this one. So this one worked pretty well. It's between the black and the brown. Because last time I bought I don't know what I was thinking. I bought it one time, I bought a brown and it was way too bright for me. So I think that's the whole thing about finding shades. I think that's a big thing. When you don't have a shade that matches you, it's like it throws everything off. Pro concealer. I'll leave everything in the description box as always, but this is in the color Toast, I believe, so yeah. With the exclusive product, which is a new product that influencer allowed me to try, and I believe it's still only online only, if I'm not mistaken, that you can purchase this. It's not in stores yet, on Sephora. So this is I've got my influencer pamphlet, so I can give you guys a quick background of what the product is. So this is a Sunshine Skin Tint Broad Spectrum SPF Sunscreen, and as you guys can see, I just pulled it out of the box. And it's a skin tint in that it provides weightless light coverage. There's 14 shades, adaptable, they said, to work with across multiple skin tones. Also a face oil, so it has grapeseed, avocado, mandarin, jojoba, and olive oils to moisturize for a dewy finish. And then it says seals in moisture and helps provide antioxidant benefits for fresh looking skin. Also a sunscreen. I'm not going outside, but it's supposed to have the SPF, which is good though. If you go outside, it has that kind of sunscreen to keep you from that. And it won't cause flashback. And then they said new Sunshine Skin Tints SPS 330 refill cartridge will be coming soon, and that will be coming online, meaning because each of them comes, so this is what mine looks like. Everybody's looks the same, but the only thing that's different is the color of the shade. So this is what it looks like. So it comes in like a tube situation. So it just says, I actually never opened it. It's a 16 millimeters and it's currently $42. It's available at milkmakeup.com, Sephora.com, and they said February 12th is when it will be available in Sephora stores. So like I said, you can only buy it online. Let's see here. So trying to make sure if there's anything else that I need to disclose. So I'm gonna read this. I got the color Cinnamon. That's the shade I got. So hopefully, which is here. I don't know if you guys can see. It looks kind of dark here, so I just hope that it doesn't look too dark on me. I'm kind of scared now, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I actually never tried this before, so I'm gonna read how to open it. It says, pump, click pen until product. Okay, here until product is dispensed into glass roller bowl. I gotta read instructions because I never used. Okay, I think I got it. Did I get it? All right, cool. So you just pump up. That's what I did, pump up, and there's the product right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply, and let's see how this looks, if it is. Also, quick note, like I said, Milk Makeup is vegan, so clean formula, paraben-free, silicone-free. So let us see. We shall see how this works. I wonder if I should. as dark. The shade doesn't look as dark, but when you're pumping it out, the color is pretty dark. So I don't know what that is, but sorry, I smelled it because I don't know, it smells like, it doesn't smell bad. It just kind of smells good. But I forgot this has oils in it, so it makes sense why it smells so good. I was wondering. So I'm gonna go ahead and use. I'm just gonna see if I can use a concealer and see if that will help. I think I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Camo. This is the Rich Cocoa. Sometimes I never remember. Like, both forgot that this is for a campaign for the influencer, and I was like, oh wait, don't continue your makeup because you need to take a photo. So I had to pause for that, you guys. But I got my photo that I'm gonna post. Use my, I feel like I'm always using this palette, my Juvia's Place palette. I might go in with my Revolution too. I'm not too sure. Alright, so I'm gonna actually go in with the color Bori. I feel like I've used this color on multiple occasions, but we're gonna use it again. It's like a pink shimmery color. Hopefully you guys can see that. This color right here. And don't mind my one nail that's chipped off. A long time, so I'm gonna use it. This is probably the first like eyeshadow palette I got, and honestly, this was a palette that I just took from, I believe, my mom. It wasn't a palette that I had purchased, just because I remember I only used this one because I was first just getting into makeup, and this was like the only, like, the Wet n Wild, the Studio eyeshadow palette. I believe they have different colors, but this has a lot of like browns and like golds. This is like that pot type of palette. I think I'm gonna go ahead with, I don't know what's with me and like glittery colors all the time. Let's see here. I don't want to mess up this look, so I'm thinking really clearly about what I want to do here, because I'll be the one to mess it up. Alright, we're just gonna go with this color. I'm not too sure what these colors are because it doesn't list it on here. Makeup Kush mascara. It says high volume boom, volume extreme boom. It's supposed to be a unique heart-shaped fibers, thicken lashes for long lasting volume, length, and curl. Naturally lit, help hemp. Everything seems to have hemp in these products. And then nourishes and conditions for healthier looking lashes. And me included. Where I'm like, oh, something's in my eye. It's my eyelash and I'm trying to get it out my eye. It's like the... I like to try to separate them because some of my eyelashes kind of like to cling to each other and I can't take them off. It's like... Alright, Milk Makeup. I don't know, mascara is mascara for me. I'm not, they all do the same job to me personally, and that is just heighten the way my eyelashes look, because I don't wear fake lashes. Nothing against them, I just feel like I'd be the one to glue my eyes shut or something, or get glue in my eyes, so I just leave that out of my I love the smell of this thing. It smells like candy. So this is the final look. Like I said, I'm not making this video long because it does not need to be, but this is what I came up with. Now, I said I wasn't going to do a review on these products, but I said I might as well. So like I said, I've tried, so the primer, I like that it's a nice, like, it's lightweight. It doesn't feel too creamy, I would say. So that's what I like about the Hydro Primer. Now, as far as the Kush mascara, it's a mascara. I also feel like with these mascaras in particular, especially if they're small ones, they just don't last too long, if that makes sense. They dry up quickly. That's the thing, mascara, I noticed. But yeah. And then, as far as the Sunshine Skin Tint, I don't think it's a bad product at all. I think it's really creative. I don't know if there's other products like this where it has this kind of like pump situation and it's in like a little bottle like this, but I don't know everything about makeup, so I may be late. But I think it was a cool thing that they made this product to make your skin feel moisturized, but as well as have a different shade. I wanted to do this specifically for people who are probably thinking about if they want to purchase this or not, because I know, even though I got it for free in exchange for my review, I know that some people are probably like in stores, or, well, not in stores because it didn't come out in stores yet, but online, probably think about whether or not they should purchase it. I think it's good. I think the ingredients for sure is one of the best things about this, is that they kind of culturated it to make it a sunscreen product, but also make it a product that's moisturizing, and also make it a product that is able to fit everybody's tone somewhere, shape or form. Now, everybody's gonna be different. I don't work. So yeah. But anyway, I make sure you guys like, you comment, you subscribe, you hit the notification bell and subscribe button so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next video.